evening. Good to see everyone tonight.
Good to see you, Tim.
Well, it's been challenging the past month on the job site for sure, as everyone knows. But we still have made progress, and some good progress. Find a little quicker here. So this month the site grading has continued. The football field is nearly excavated. It's complete. They actually started excavating the athletic road today up to the athletic fields parking. Stone has been installed in the parking area for the athletic fields. Concrete foundation work in the gym area has been completed. And the low block in the gym area, which is 2 courses up to finished floor, has been completed. The MEP on the gym area has already started underground. That's underground plumbing rough in. Electrical rough in is always underway. Concrete foundation work in the auditorium area. They will finish all those footers up tomorrow. And they already started laying some block, low block in the auditorium area. And then of course this will continue as soon as weather breaks, so they can meet all the requirements for cold weather protection and all for the CMU. Foundations for the offices and CTE wings, a little bit of that's already started. That's area C. They will be moving on to that area after they get the footers completed in the auditorium area, which will be tomorrow. And then slab on grand prep in the gym area should start the next month coming up. So that's a good thing. Other than that, the weather's been rough, but things are still moving forward, and they're working as much as they can in dealing with the weather. Few pictures here. This is where they've got the football field dug out. This was on the 2nd of January. This is some of the underground plumbing that's already been installed. This is for the bathrooms that will be used for the gym as well as the football field. This is some block that was being laid in the gym area. There's a whole lot, that's just a lot of rebar and block stick all around there already. There's the stage footer for the front of the stage. That was poured just after Christmas. Of course, this was last week. This is what it looked like up there when I drove up there. But they are branches working as hard as they can. Contractors are wanting to work. So we will continue to push with the project and get this building underway. Any questions or comments?